In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Big Cartel. Organizing your products into categories helps customers find what they're looking for faster and makes your store look more professional. First, log into your Big Cartel account and open your dashboard. From there, go to the Products section where all your items are listed. Now, Big Cartel doesn't use traditional category folders, so instead, you organize products using tags or product types. To do this, click on a product you want to categorize. Inside the product settings, look for the tag or category field. Here, you can type a label like clothing, shoes, digital art, or anything that fits your store. Use consistent names so your products stay organized. Repeat this process for each product you want in a category. Make sure you use the same tag name for similar items so they group together properly. Once you're done, save your changes. Your products will now be grouped based on the tags you assigned, making your store easier to browse. And that's it. That's how you add product categories in Big Cartel.